What's up, guys? Welcome
Hi.
back to our episode 3.
Would you rather?
Would you rather?
Would you freaking rather?
Ay, naku.
Okay, question number 1. Would you rather have a short, intense love or a long, comfortable one? Long and comfortable one. Bakit?
Same.
Kasi ayoko na ng challenges sa buhay ko eh. Pagod na ako.
Explain
Bye.
yung question.
Ano, pang long term kasi.
Oo,
Hindi pang
long.
short term.
Ano gusto mo? Short or
Short term or
intense
long
one?
term?
Yeah, oo.
Yun na yung question. Long term. Tama.
Next!
Next.
Would you rather be loved more or loved more? Love past tense. Love
Present tense.
present tense. Loved or love?
Loved.
Gusto mo yun. Ikaw?
Past.
Loved. Loved din. Kasi,
Really.
alam, parang gusto mo
Because
pumili.
as I said, we can love you back. We learn how to love back. That was I!
Tama.
Pero yung question kasi, it's either present tense or past tense.
Ano ba yung tanong ulit?
Loved more or loved?
Love with ED or love without ED?
Kasi pass lang. Eh, wag na pala.
Okay.
Past or present? Present tense. Present.
Okay. Would you rather follow your heart or your mind in a relationship?
Both?
Actually,
You
yeah.
should have control on both.
Ano yan? Bobo, tas ano?
Kung ito yung gagamitin, tanga. Pag ito, hindi masaya.
Kapag ito yung ginamit, ang sasabihin mo, tanga. Pag ito, hindi masaya.
Okay, next. Would you rather find your soulmate early or late in life? Later in life.
Later.
Later. Kasi wala pa akong na-achieve sa buhay.
Because as you go, you're learning stuff.
So ano yung ano ngayon? Laro-laro muna. Ganun.
Kasi
Yan yung sabi mo kahapon. Laro-laro muna.
tutunan ka sa past. Which is i-apply mo sa ngayon. O diba? Na-mental block ako. Buti ba yung kahapon?
Diba? Ang dami niyang nasagot kahapon eh. Nagbabasa lang ako eh. Okay, next. Number 5. Would you rather forgive someone who hurt you or cut them off completely? Cut them
Cut
off
them
completely.
off.
Shout out to
Ano
them. Would you rather risk everything for love or play it safe?
Play it safe.
Explain
niyo bakit?
Kasi like, alam mo naman pag nagmamahal ka, pag
Ayoko maubos.
Oo, tama.
Wag nyo ganyan.
Natry ko
Kaya
na.
sinabi ni Bruno Mars, I risk
Risk it
I
all.
risk it all for you daw.
No.
No.
Ayoko maubos. Dapat may natitira pa rin sa
Oo,
self.
tama.
Ikaw kasi, di ba?
Ikaw.
Hindi, para sa'yo yun.
Ano?
Para sa'yo. Para sa'yo yun.
Ala, Diyos ko dahil!
Dapat may natitira sa self, ha?
Wala na kasi natira sa akin.
Ano kasi tao na?
Okay lang, walang tao sa bahay. Okay, saan tayo?
7.
Ito, number 7. Would you rather stay in a stable relationship or chase a passionate one?
Stable.
Passionate ko yan ang sagot kahapon.
Oo.
Passionate.
Passionate.
Parang si... Paano niya ba yun? Si Bal.
Yung ano, yung...
Parang ano? Parang...
Can't Help Falling in Love yun, di ba? Yung Can't Help Falling in Love. Na movie nila, Catherine tsaka Daniel. Yung...
naintindihan? Pass.
Wait. Showing or expressing intense feelings and enthusiasm or deep dedication towards a person.
Okay, ano yung tanong ulit? Or strong, tingnan mo.
Oh, di ba? Ang tanong is, stable relationship or chase a passionate one? Stable.
Stable.
Stable na, doon na tayo sa stable. Wala, gusto ko na ito naman.
Ayoko ng trade. Ay. Ayoko ng trade.
Ayaw mo na din. Sorry guys, may ads.
Okay lang.
Okay, next.
Next. Bye.
Next question. Would you rather be with someone who understands you or someone who challenges you?
Ano yung tanong yan, Bobo?
Understands.
Pero sometimes kasi if they challenge you, you grow more.
O yung iba, may gusto ng thrill.
Pero understand.
Gusto mo ng thrill? Pero gusto mo understand? Ano ba talaga?
Ayoko na.
Gusto ko ng understands me kasi
Oo. Okay lang naman yung thrill, pero huwag naman yung sobrang ano.
sobrang thrill. Thrilling. Okay, next. Would you rather fix a broken relationship or start with someone? Start fresh with someone new. Start fresh with someone new.
Depende. Gusto niya.
Depends eh.
Ayoko na, kung naubos ako dun sa taong yun, ayoko na balikan.
Usapan.
Kahit in good terms kayo naghiwalay, wag na.
I started with someone.
Diba? Start with someone new. Ikaw?
Depende nga.
Ano ba
Yun
yan?
nga, kasi hindi mo din masasabi.
Gusto niyo
Hindi mo din.
Sagot niya or?
If gusto niyo ayusin niyo. I-try. Diba? Both of you.
Tama.
Pag ayaw, di, iba na lang.
Okay, ito number 10. Would you rather love someone who doesn't love you back or never love at all? Never love at all.
Ano yung question?
Would you rather love someone who doesn't love you back or
Never love at all.
Never love at all!
Ay, sabay.
Sabay ba?
Or ako. Yeah, never love at all.
Kasi, ang parang
Kasi mauubos ka, mapapagod ka.
parang nagbe-beg ka sa ng love me back, love me again. Ganun.
Tama.
Diba?
Hindi tayo ganun.
Hindi kami ganun. Kaya kung mahal nyo kami,
Or
sabihin
tayo.
nyo. Sabihin nyo. Okay, next.
Sabihin niyo before it's too late. Next.
Number 11. Would you rather choose happiness or success in life?
Success.
Oh my God.
Paano yung success pag walang happiness? Parang
Okay, lahat na successful ka.
Success.
I don't know.
Success.
Pero success pa rin.
Kasi may mga successful na hindi masaya eh.
Mm.
Kasi may mga tao parang manawala sa kanila.
YOLO yung team ko, so happiness. You only live once.
YOLO. Kayo, YOLO kayo? O, YOLO din ako, ikaw.
Ewan ko.
You can still choose a path na may happiness.
Tama.
Sige. Sige.
Sige, happiness na tayo. Wag na success.
Both.
Gaya kayo.
Hindi, both ako. I go both ways.
Okay, next. Would you rather live your dream life alone or a simple life with someone you love? Live a simple life with someone you love. Kasi simple siya eh.
Would you rather live your ano?
Would you rather live your dreams
Live your dreams.
life alone or
Alone or with someone else but simple. I with someone you love but simple.
someone you
Ang
love?
hirap naman. Paano?
Siguro yung ano sa akin.
Why would you live your dream?
Hindi live, parang buhay. Parang L-I-V-E yung ano.
Would you rather? Would you rather?
Simple life with someone you love.
Ay, kala ko live. Yung
Pangarap
Hindi.
mo o jowa mo?
I'd always choose career over love.
Ay, pag yung career or love yung sa tanungan, career ako.
Sa totoo, you don't have to choose. Dapat sasamahan ka pa rin ng love mo, di ba? Sino bang
No, but I'd always choose career,
Career,
over love.
career. Kahit pag,
Love can wait, pero YOLO. Pero love can wait. Tama.
But yeah. Oh, number one priority, career.
career guys, career tayo.
Career tayo.
Finest luxury fragrances are
Okay,
now
number
exclusively
13.
available at your
Would you rather know how your life ends or live without knowing anything?
Live
Live without knowing
knowing
anything.
Oo, live without. Kasi,
Mamatay na kung mamatay.
Diba? Tama.
smell and smell.
Diba?
Kasi, pag alam mo, nandun yung fear na ano, parang every time you do something, there's a fear na
matatakot ka.
natatakot ka to make yourself happy. Yeah.
Oo, oo, tama.
Di ba, Zai?
Taste the irresistible
Ay, naano yung Zay dyan. Okay, number 14. Would you rather make a big mistake and learn from it or avoid mistake but never grow?
Make mistakes.
Make mistake.
We all make mistakes.
Kahit big mistake yun, at least
At least you learn something from it.
Di ba, Zay?
Anong kanta yan?
Oo.
Ano sagot? Would you rather be remembered from your kindness or your achievements? Achievements? Ano sabi mo nun?
Achievement.
Sabi mo!
Hindi ako mabait eh. Nakalimutan ko na.
Kahit na gumawa ka ng kanya.
Ay, sabi niya, alam ko na. Paano ko ma-remember sa kindness ko, hindi naman ako kind. Ganun ba yun?
Hindi. Hindi.
Paano yun sa kindness pero hindi ka naman. Paano pag wala ka boat, sabi mo?
Hindi kasi ano.
Sabi mo.
Kasi they will always remember the
The bad things
Yeah.
you do instead of the kind.
Yeah.
Oo nga, ganun.
Mas
So,
mataas
it's-
yung tingin nila sa ano. Mas masama rin yung ginawa.
Tama.
So, achievements na lang.
Tama.
Achievements. Achievements. Don't choose kindness. Always choose kindness.
Pero,
Pero
lang naman, pero achievements.
pero kasi may mga tao, especially Filipino, toxic traits. Lahat ng mga parang lahat ng mga ginagawa mo mali, yun yung tumatatak sa isip nila. Hindi yung ginagawa mong tama. Yan yung toxic trait ng Filipino.
Hindi sila
Tingnan mo sa mga puti, hindi. Hindi nila naalala yung pagkakamali mo. Sa Pilipino, tumatatak yun.
Hindi nila makakalimutan.
Hindi ako galit, guys. Stating facts. Di ba?
Yes, ay, tawa na lang.
So, the other question of the day is, would you rather live a life with no regret or one full of lesson? Yan yung question of the day.
Full of lessons.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, guys! Bye, mga ka-wonder!
See you.
Okay, see you on our next one. Kailan? Next week!
Oh, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Please like, share, subscribe!
Kaya hindi ka sabihin.
Kinarir na yung pag-YouTuber. Okay, bye, guys!